Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. Before we will start, just a quick disclaimer and a tip: if you want to learn more about the secret codes of this device, I highly recommend to click in the link which is in the description box, because you will be transferred to our website where you've got all of the codes listed. Alright, so let's start with opening the dialer, and let me begin with the code which will open the IMEI information. It is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers and also serial number attached to this device. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another code which is pretty similar to the previous one. It is *#07#. And thanks to this code, we can open the certificates, we can check the type and the model of our device. Let's go back and let me show you another code which will open the calendar info. It is *##225#*##. And as I said, we are in the calendar info, so here we've got all the events in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best section to check the events, because here they are grouped into particular sections. Let's go back and let me show you another code which will open the diagnostics, and it is provided by Google. It is *##426####. And as I said, we are in the diagnostics, so here we can check the server, host port, and time connected. Let's tap on events, and here we've got some further details. If you want, you can show advanced view, 3 dots icon, tap on advanced view, and tap on the status. And as you can see here, we've got much more info. So for example, we can check the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back and let me show you the last code which will open the testing menu, kind of. It is *##46361#*##. And as I said, we are in the testing, so here we can check the phone information, usage statistics, and Wi-Fi info. Let's start with this one. As you can see, it is divided between 3 different categories, so let me pick the status, for example. Let's refresh the stats, and here we've got the information just like the network state, SSID, or network ID. We can also run ping test here. Let's go back, and usage statistics. Generally, I have no idea why we do not have anything here, but basically here you will have the list of all apps and processes which are currently on your device. You can sort them by the app name, usage time, and last time used. So basically you will be able to check how much time you've spent on the app, for example. The phone information will provide you with the info just like the IMEI number, car network, data service, or voice service. Of course, you will have this information if you will have the SIM card inserted. Now let's run ping test, and here we've got the results. After tapping on the 3 dots icon, you can also enable the data connection or view service dialing numbers. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.